Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. Hey, Mark, as promised, doing a little video. So what I've done here is this is to duplicate your rib that is coming up the side of the boat. Stake, actually, is what that's called, but most people call them ribs. This is the side of the boat here. And up near the front of the boat, you'll notice there's a bevel, there's an angle, and which makes it kind of difficult to get to the back side to staple. So in our arsenal of staplers, which we have several, we have this long-nosed guy that will fit in a lot of places that a regular stapler can't go. So number one, that's why I'm saying, hey, let me take care of this so you're not inconvenienced anymore, other than maybe time. Okay, so now it would be great if the panel that's on this side of the rib could be removed, which I know it is removed, and the panel on this side of the rib could be removed, which is the one that you're having difficulty with because of the glove boxes apparently, and or wiring and or whatever. So luckily in upholstery there's more than one way to skin a cat. So again, what we did originally is the vinyl went on and it's stapled back here in this back here, and it's stapled right here, and we might have stapled to the rib or we might have stapled to the sides, probably stapled to the ribs just to make sure that we didn't poke through the sides. And then our panel came on it and hid all the staples. So what we can do, and what I intend to do, is, okay, this side we've got a panel that's still in the way and we can't get rid of it. So the way an upholsterer would attack that is they would put their piece of vinyl in there, and then I have these plastic tack strips. A lot of times these were cardboard years ago. We searched and searched and found plastic tack strips. So I would put this plastic tack strip back here, and I would then fasten the plastic tack strip in. And I would use more staples than you're seeing being used here right now. And I would make sure that that one goes all the way in, as these are doing. Okay, so we staple that on a tack strip, and then we fold that over. And voila, that is, I do have a staple sticking out right here that I could remove for to make the video, to make it show a little better. Okay, so then we wrap this side, and we either put our staples into the rib or into here. Again, I'm not sure how thick the sidewalls are on your boat, so I would probably want to go into the rib. And I've hit the seam, hit the crease. My little piece is just brad nailed together, so it's not like exactly like your boat because it's just brad nailed together. So we would staple along here, and pull it tight with the copper material, and voila, we put our panel back, and that side is going to be, that fold is going to be right down. Of course, I ran out of plastic right here, so that's not, so that fold right there is going to be right down against your existing vinyl. It's going to come on around, and of course all these staples will be hidden by the panel. So hopefully that's helpful, and I'm working on my plans to get out there. You had company the 4th and 5th, and I'm looking at as early as 1 week after that. It might be more like the Friday after that instead of the Wednesday after that, but that's what I'm looking at right now. Get out there as quick as I can. I don't know if your fuel pump's made it there yet or not. We're not following the tracking. We can, but we're not right now. Anyway, so, and I can bring my staplers, and we can make real easy work out of this. All right, thanks, man.